Okay, everyone, we are going to go through another boss in Black Myth series on the feedback, and this is one of my favorite bosses, Scorpion Lord. So let's dive in and let's analyze this boss fight because it's so fluid. It's one of my favorite ones, and his dialogue is brilliant too. So let's go ahead, yeah. All right, all right. Just gonna check it out. Look at that. All right. First thing I'm sorry I keep stopping but we are analyzing this, yeah. So the first attack, if you look when he comes out. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? See that nice line of action in his tail and the arc following it. So look at that. So you come here and look at that. You got that lovely body line of action happening there, right? That's what's making it appealing. That's what's popping, right? And then like here you got the negative space, everything's, and this is highlighting to indicate there's going to be a special move coming. And then look how the arcs is so smooth. And that's because of the tip of the tail, right? The VFX follows that arc. So there's a point the VFX artist, this is what I've heard from work when I've been chatting to, but there's different ways of doing it, VFX artists, but they pick points that the VFX can trail, right? So if the arcs aren't right, it shows that. I'm sure there's other ways they can put their trajectories in, but to give the illusion, but that's one way of doing it. So again, if we go back there and have a look, look how smooth that is, right? And he goes back to his idol. 2 somersaults there. That's so cool, isn't it? Look. And that settle. And the jump back. That attack there. You see that attack? So there's a jump back. So he jumps back. Whoosh, yeah. Tail follows, which is nice. And then lovely arc here, look. Look at that. For the attack. That's all it is. Simple arcs, right? And then he holds, this pose is held, but it's clear. And it's clear to the player because look, it's highlighting. So he knows an attack's going to happen. So he's waiting. And then look, then that poison comes out, right? And he slaps. And again, nice little arc there. Woo! That's so cool. Do you see that? It's just the way he spins, and at the end, the arm just settles. It's just so smooth. Look, whoosh! Look at that. That's a little overshoot there. That's little overshoot and then settle. So good, so good. So there's a spin, and then here, nice line, and then that's so cool. Let's watch that again, man. I love that. It's just the flow of that, rotate and rotate, like rotate, settle, and then jumps back, attack. That was cool, right? You look at that. You see that? He's in his idle, right? So he gets in his idle, and then anticipation, stretch, body stretches, and then arm goes back. Again, lovely arc there. That's all. What is his attacks? That's all it is, Nice broad attacks that show whoosh, there. And then the other way, which is cool too. Again, check that. Giving enough time for the player. Clear anticipation. And then look how he balances it. Yeah, you see that? He's a little off balance there. And then he gets himself. So let's see that again properly. And then watch the flow. It goes whoosh, whoosh, and then he settles. Highlight. See that? Comes here. The tail starts highlighting because it's clear that there's an attack coming, poison coming. Woo. Oh, that's lovely. That little return back, so good. Even that little turn here, like whoosh, and watch the jump back. So good. So he jumps back. Simple step back, but the tail coming back just and the settle just makes it feel so fluid. You know, look, what's this? So fluid. That's a good attack. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Lovely little combo there. You see that? Lovely combo there, man. Just wanted to play it out. So, turns, gives a bit of time, and look how the tail... Oh, I think I skipped it there, sorry, man. Skipped a bit there, apologies for that. Goes back, then there's the attack. Yeah, that's cool. Like, you see that? He comes back, and then he's like, ah, and then settles into his character, idol. But that's so good, you know, it's the character, you know, you can tell from its personality. And then here, there's an anticipation out of idle pose. You know something's coming, right? Attack, nice arcs. And then look, lovely little arc there in the tail. The intersecting in the ground doesn't matter, man. It's a game, you know, you'll get a lot of that. Attack, lovely attack there. Look at that, look at that. Lovely curve. And just love. The glow. Yeah, jumps back. That's pretty cool. See, that mechanic is used a lot in this game, right? Character jumps back, but different pose. Lovely. Look at that. Spin. So good. So good. Little poison there. Oh, that's it. That's the one. Look at the trail in the sting. Oh, it comes back, whips back, and then that's so cool too. This shows a bit of his character, right? So he whips back, and look at his claw. He goes, then he comes back. Love that. But again, you know, it's showing shapes, right? He's angry, right? Look at that whip back. You see that? See what that animation is? So from there, from a little closed pose to fully open line of action, right? So you're seeing that contrast, and then it comes back into his idol. So you got closed, open, closed. This is cool too. That's so good. That's so good. That's so good. Even that bit. That's so good. No, when he ends, whips back. That's another attack. So good. See, there's a flow to that, right? So he spins here, and then holds, spins, and then holds a bit. It gives enough time for the player, and then there's the attack. And then that spin, so good. Hey, he does it there as well. Look at the idol. He goes, oh, you know, goes back into it. Yeah, a lot of these actions are, you know, the same, repeating now, but still, it's so good. And that little spin is so good because you see the spin, he's on his side, spins, holds for the next attack, then holds again, there's a little hold, and then look at that, the way it jumps up. And then you see, like, from one leg is in the air, and then look at that line of action, lovely. Arms flowing, lovely line of action coming down like this. So good, so good. Double attack. So he slams, and then like a double jump again, and then a slam. Feet land first. You see that? So he comes down, feet land first, as you can see here. Gets his balance, and then slam. Obviously, with game, it's gameplay, you know, so it's got to be quick. Oh, what was that? The way you got up. That looked pretty cool. Yeah, basically bouncing ball there, right? So if you look at his hips, he comes down, bam, and then comes up, So let's say the hips is there. So it's bam, bam, and it's probably going to come down now. Bam, there, see? So it's a nice arc is following the bouncing ball. Good old bouncing ball. Awesome there. Lovely attack there as well. So he's on the back there. Where is he? He's facing the opposite way. But he tries to swipe there, right? And then the way he's like, look at that. Nice pose, right? Clear pose. And then watch him zip back. So good, that zip back. So good. Such a good. Woo. Oh man, it's so smooth. That return back. Look at this. So good. That attack, the sound. I love the sound to that. It's funny, man. Yay. Oh, again. Oh man, this boss. He comes out, attacks, but look how they hold that pose, right? Again, lovely, strong, clear, appealing poses. And then straight after that, you know another attack's coming. The claw glows. No, so good. You know, oh, again, see, whip back the tail. I know I keep playing that. That's nice, the way he's hanging in the air. There's hang time in the air for the attack. Again, awesome. Oh, 4 hits. So good, so good. Arcs. Again, it's repeated attacks, but that's lovely too. You see that? Like that. Sorry, let me play that one again. That was. Look at the spins there. Whoosh. So good. Again, it all comes down to clarity, right? It's just so clear. You know, you figure out the moves. There's nice arcs in the tails, poison, trails, that, and the way he spins back. The Ida pose is great. Spin attack. Again, with that spin attack, you can see it's so good because it's smooth. Because look at the arcs in it. There's lovely arcs in the tail. It's following a nice path, right? Which makes the animation a lot more smoother. Same attack, you know. And oh man, my favorite. That's so good. Look at that. So attack, so smooth. That 3-hit combo is so like, it's very seamless, right? There's no jittery. Look, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. I love that return. Probably one of my favorite returns back, you know. It's so organically smooth. Yeah, a little somersault there. And then yellow long, you can convert into one of these, or change into one of these bosses. Yellow long is brilliant. Even that yellow long, look, the combo there. Let's look at yellow long. But look at his combo there. So even the transformation, look at the way. So he's going to do a left and then right. Even that's really cool. Look at that. So look, he goes up in the air, left, right. So he's leaning left and then quickly right. That's the contrast, right. So you're getting that contrast. And then lovely pose there. The yellow long has some lovely. I'll do a video on the boss as well. But again, amazing. Absolutely, you know, this player who I put his link in the description. But again, this was one of my favorite bosses, Scorpion Lord. His cinematics was quite. The dialogue was quite easy. They used a lot of British voiceover, which, you know, they had the Cockney one for the Tiger Vanguard, which I thought was quite. It was funny, but it was kind of suited him. But yeah, lovely game. This amazing game, and I'm gonna go through some more reviews for the animation. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. And don't forget, if you want to level up your animations, check out My Animation Mastery. There's an offer on at the moment, so you can check that out. There's also a free quad tutorial. I'll put a link to the description. You can check that out too. Sign up for that. But yeah, My Animation Mastery. If you're thinking of leveling up your skills, animation skills, you want to get into games, start animating like this, I teach foundation all the way to advanced techniques in animation. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, look after yourself, go for a walk. Don't spend your time behind the screen for too long. Go out for walks. Walks are good for the mind. All right, stay safe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.